What's up, guys? Welcome to Blitreviews. Today I had to double up on something. See, the Just Steal Me. Like I said, this is a double. I have another one put up. This is the Air Jordan 1 Mid 10.5 Black Gem Red. Now, these are a very slept-on shoe. They're going to creep up. They're going to creep up over the next couple years, if not sooner. They're already creeping up a little. So opening it up, guys, you got the 23 paper, and you got the mid. Basically, it's not the black toe, it's not the Chicago, so it's a little bit of moat. So this is the closest some people are going to get to a Chicago. I go one. I don't have in my collection. That's what I want for my birthday. We'll see if my wife gets it for me or not. She knows I want the 2015 pair. I believe that's 2015, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So anyway, look, you have the Jordan, basically Jordan 1 Mid. It's fire, man. You can't beat these, man. I had to grab two. These are still sitting in some places. They sell out quick online, but I got a couple little spots I go pick them up at. And these guys, get them. People are stocking up on these. You can't go wrong. 115 bucks. These are reselling for about 140, something like that. Still a little lunch money, but I keep all my shoes. I don't resell nothing. So anyway, these right here, I got a pair to beat and a pair to put on the wall. So there you go, guys. These right here are at all stores. If you can get to a store, if it hasn't been looted, by the time you see this video, things are going crazy in America right now. So here you go. You get, and across the world. So you got basically a hybrid between the black toes and Chicago, and it's a mid. So basically an inch right there makes a difference of over $1,000. So I love them. I rock them. And without being said, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button if you like it. We rock a lot of GR, hype, unhype, everything in between on this channel. And stay safe, stay woke, and let's get it.